Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, May 22nd. The Zen story for today is titled The Painter and the Rain. A painter sat in the village square, carefully brushing ink into a long scroll. For hours she worked, each stroke precise, each detail perfect. A river flowed through the mountains. A crane soared beneath the moon. The villagers gathered in silence, watching. The sky darkened. A single raindrop landed on the scroll, then another. The painter lifted her brush. Black rivers bled across the page. The crane melted into the sky. The villagers stepped back. The rain fell harder. The painter did not move. She watched as the water carried her work away, drop by drop, until nothing remained but wet paper. She set down her brush. For a long time she only watched. Then slowly she reached out and traced her finger along the trails the rain had left. Her hand moved not against the storm, but with it. The ink spread, the shapes shifted. The villagers did not know whether she was painting or only watching. Neither did she. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body and arrive in stillness. Maybe you gently close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. Remember, there is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be in this moment, just as it is. When thoughts come, let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. Is loss the end of creation or part of it? When the rain washes ink away, does the painting disappear or begin again? Is loss the end of creation or part of it? When the rain washes ink away, does the painting disappear or begin again? What remains after something is undone? If the image fades but the paper stays, was it truly lost? What remains after something is undone? If the image fades but the paper stays, was it truly lost? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself, with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. Remember, I'm putting them and the suggestions for practical moments of Zen into our private circle group. And I really encourage you to check it out and try some of the ones that speak to you. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.